This is question number 20 on the June 2014 calculator paper. So let's look at the question. 25 students in class A did a science exam. 30 students in class B did the same science exam. The mean mark for the 25 students in class A is 67.8. The mean mark for all the 55 students is 72. Work out the mean mark for the students in class B. So in order to do this question successfully, you need to understand that to work out the mean value of something, you have to add up all the values. So mean is the total divided by the number of values. Okay, so the total divided by the number of values. So to work out the mean mark for these 25 students from class A, they need to work out their total marks. So add up all their marks, then divided by 25, and that gave us 67.8. So the total, to work out the total mark, I'd need to do the mean times the number of students. It's not number of values, but it's number of students that we're talking about here. Okay, so I'm going to use this information to help me find this. So the total marks of class A is going to be 25 times 67.8, 25 times 67.8, and that is, if I bring my calculator across and do that maths, 25 times 67.8 equals 1,695. So I'm going to write that in. 1,695. That's the total marks of everybody from class A. However, they've said that the mean for all 55 students is 72. So the total marks for all 55 students is going to be, and I'm going to use the same logic for this, 55 times 72, 55 times 72.0. Let's see what that is. 55 times 72.0, and that gives me 3,960. 3,960. So that's the total marks for all 55 students. The question says work out the mean for the students in class B. So I need to work out the total. So the total marks for class B. I know the total marks for class A. I know the total marks for class A and B. The total marks for class B is going to be 3,960. Take away 1,695. Straightforward subtraction. I'm going to use my calculator to work out my result. 3,960. Take away 1,695. And that's 2,265. 2,265. So the total marks that students in class B got was 2,265. There are 30 students in class B. So the mean for class B is going to be 2,265 divided by 30. And again, I'll get my calculator, do the calculation. If I just position this so you can see the answer space, you can understand what workings I've done so far. And let's just do this last bit. 2,265 divided by 30 equals 75.5, and that's what goes in the answer space, 75.5. Okay, this is a straightforward question. You really need to understand how to work out the mean value of an amount. And as I indicated at the very beginning, the mean is the total divided by the total number of values, the total of all the values divided by the total number of values. And in our case, it was the total marks of the class divided by the number of people in a class. And we did that for class A, we did that for all the students, then for class B, and then worked out the mean for class B. Go through this a couple of times, make sure you understand it, and you can do it.